Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to generate a set of random numbers in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to create this column of random numbers, just like we have here in column A. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So if I click in cell A1, and I type equals RANDARRAY with a left parenthesis, the first argument I will be prompted for is for the number of rows. This is essentially how many random numbers I want to return. So in this case, let's just say 12. And then I'm going to type a comma. And my next argument is how many columns of data would I like? So in this case, I'm just going to say 1 and then type a comma. My next argument is what is the minimum number I want in here? So let's just start with 1, type a comma, and then the next argument is the max. So let's say we want to go up to 100. And then I'm going to type one more comma, and now I will be prompted for whether or not I want an integer or a decimal. So let's just say in this case we only want to deal with integers. I'm going to type true, close my parentheses, and hit enter. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And I can see that I'm being returned with a whole bunch of random numbers right here. So if I were to click in A1, go to the end of my parentheses, and hit enter again, I'm now returned with a different set of random numbers. Now there's a way to use this random number array with another function in Microsoft Excel so that you can avoid getting duplicate numbers. And we go over that a little bit more in detail out on our blog. And I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.